We are in very trying times. Even though life as we know it may be interrupted, the company will always be here for you. The events that have unfolded show that we need to do more as a society. We here at the company stand with our friends in marginalized group regarding current topic. Buzzword is a terrible thing and should not be tolerated in this day and age. Blatant pandering towards marginalized group. The company believes that all voices should be heard, especially those in marginalized group. Person or group will not be forgotten. Half-hearted call to emotion. Promotion about company diversity and efforts to improve relations with marginalized group. The company does everything it can to combat buzzword and stands with non-profit entity against it. Corporate wording to show support for cause. Hashtag to relate to millennials. We won't really do anything or truly discuss current topic, but this message will be enough for you to not care about any of our policies. More virtue signaling and pandering. Reference to local and national pride. Here are several seconds of a black backdrop to show solidarity with current topic. Everyone should know that the company truly cares about you in public, yet might mistreat marginalized group who work for us. You shouldn't worry about that though, since we at the company will continue to pander and virtue signal for marginalized group against buzzword. Together we can do better. Don't ask questions, just buy our shit.